Okay, listen here. Today we are going to see the topic of production of planes. Right? Production of planes. All of you listen here. So plane surface is nothing but a two-dimensional surface. Right? For example, a triangle or a square or a hexagon, pentagon. Right? So all these we call as a plane surface. Right? So next we are going to see how we are going to project and draw the front view and top view, the side view of different plane surfaces, right? Clear? So again we are going to follow the first angle projection. So all of you know what is first angle projection. We are going to keep the object in the first quadrant, right? So the observer is going to stand little away and looking at the object. And whatever front view is going to see is going to project it on the vertical plane, and the observer goes to the top of the object, and whatever he sees from the top is going to project as a top view in the horizontal plane. That is the concept, right? So the front view will be falling on the vertical plane and the top view will be falling on the horizontal plane, and we are going to draw the views. And the top view, since it is falling in the horizontal plane, we are rotating the horizontal plane 90 degree, and we are going to draw the front view above XY line and top view below XY line. That is the concept. Is clear? So we have seen the projection of lines. Line is having two endpoints. So actually what we are doing is we are projecting the endpoints. If you locate the endpoint, the front view of the endpoints, you are going to get the front view of the line. Just join the projectors of the endpoints to get the front view of the line. Similarly, if you draw the top view of the two endpoints and join them, you will get the top view of the line. Okay. So basically we are projecting the points. So if you are going for a plane, right, the plane can be having any kind of shape, starting from a triangle or a square or a pentagon or a hexagon, octagon or a circle or a semicircle, right? So all these we are calling as plane surfaces or lamina, right? So there is another name for a plane surface is a lamina. So a circular lamina means it is having a circular shape. It is a plane surface, a flat surface. You understand that? So if you assume there is a triangle, it is having three endpoints, right? So it's a triangular, we call it as a triangular lamina. And if you want to draw the front view or top view of the triangular lamina, you just keep the lamina in the first quadrant, observe from the front and draw the front view on the vertical plane, and observe the same lamina from the top and project it, draw the top view the horizontal plane, right? So that is the concept. You see one problem now. Take down. A regular pentagonal lamina. A regular pentagonal lamina. All of you write the problem. Last row. Write the problem. A regular pentagonal lamina of 30 mm side, has one edge in HP, and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to BP. Inclined at an angle of 30 degree to BP. Next sentence, draw its projections. When its surface Draw its projections when its surface is inclined